Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. This tutorial is a walkthrough on how to convert an image into black and white or grayscale. As we can see, we can select an image file to convert. Upon conversion, we can view the original image and the converted black and white or grayscale image. If you want to follow along, you may download the source code from the link in the description box below. Now let's proceed to coding. So here is the HTML code. I have set up an input file element for the image selection. Also, we have two image tags to display the original image and the grayscale image and a canvas element. Now let's just copy the CSS. Now let's proceed to the JavaScript code. First step is to create a function that accepts an image that converts the image to grayscale using the canvas element. Let's set the canvas context into 2D and set its width and height based on the size of the image. Then we will use the drawImage method to set the image into canvas. Next step is to get the image data. We will use the getImageData function from the canvas context object. Now we can use a for loop to adjust the image's brightness, including the red, green, and blue properties. Now that we have adjusted the brightness, it's time to put the converted image data to the canvas element. For the next step, we have to set an event listener to the input file element to get the selected image. After that, we want to create a file reader object. I will display the original image to the first image tag in the HTML. Since it is hidden upon the page load, we have to set its display to block. We will then set the onLoad event in the reader object. This is where we're going to use the convert to grayscale function that we have created earlier. Then the converted grayscale data URL will be the source of the output image element. Now let's view it in the browser. So that's it. That's how you convert image to grayscale in JavaScript. Thank you and see you in the next video.